Hello, my dear guys. How are you? Let's start our English lesson. Lesson number 5. The theme of our lesson is too much, too many, enough, and not enough. The aims of this lesson to generalize the material on the theme, to explain grammar material about too much, too many, not enough, and to study new words and practice them in speech, and to develop understanding, logical thinking. Here you are a little explanation about these different grammar words and how to use them. In English, we can use too, enough, and very with adjectives to indicate degree. Too describes something negative or unwanted. Enough describes the right amount of something, and very makes the adjective stronger. We can also use too with much and many to talk about an amount or number of something, which is more or less than what we want or need. For countable nouns such as apples or people, we use many. For uncountable nouns like rice or water, we use much. For example, there are too many people on the bus. There is too much salt in this soup. For degree, we use too plus adjective. For amount or number, the order is too plus many much plus noun. For example, it's too hot in here. James ate too much pizza. Too many people came to the theater. Enough comes after an adjective or before a noun. Adjective plus enough or enough plus noun. For example, my handwriting is good enough. His car isn't fast enough. We have enough food. I don't have enough money.
Hey students, today we're going to be talking about three things. If any of this is confusing, go back, check out some of the other videos from Mark on quantifiers. But today I'm just going to quickly go through three important ways to talk about more than I want or need, less than I want or need, or just the right amount. And at the end of the video, I'll tell you a little story about three bears. All right, first we'll start with more than I want or need. This is something that is not good, okay? It's more than I want, or it's more than I need. So we can use too plus adjective. So for example, I live in Singapore. I like hot weather. Why did I leave my country, which is Canada? Because Canada is too cold. It's more than I want. It's more than I need. I don't like cold. It's already snowing there. It's only October. Yeah, not good. All right, next we can use too much. And from a past video, we know that we have to use much with an uncountable noun. So I can say, I have too much time. Now, some people like time, but I think if you have too much time, maybe you're bored or you have nothing to do. So we can see this as a negative thing, right? Too much time might be a bad thing. And lastly, too many. And of course, we use that with a countable noun. So, you know, in Singapore, there is a few negative things, not many. It's almost the perfect place. But there are too many cockroaches, right? I don't like cockroaches. You don't like cockroaches. And I think there are too many cockroaches in Singapore. Do you have any cockroaches in your house right now? Probably. They're hiding, so be careful. All right, so that's more than I want or more than I need. Moving on to less than I want or need, which is also a bad thing. I like things, I like money, I like time. I want more of those things. So these are actually quite opposite. So maybe I go to a restaurant and I say, this soup isn't hot enough. So we can use not plus adjective plus enough to say I want more, or it's not enough. It's less than I want or less than I need. Nobody likes cold soup, so if the waiter delivers some cold soup to me, I'm not going to be happy and I will say, excuse me, this soup is not hot enough. Or I can say the soup is too cold. Actually, these are the same meaning, just we change the adjective. All right, or maybe I want to buy a Ferrari, but I can't because I don't have enough money, right? Not enough money, okay? So we use not, usually plus a verb, enough plus a noun. This can be a countable noun or an uncountable noun is fine. I don't have enough money. Not enough money to buy a Ferrari. Okay, maybe I can buy a Honda or a Mazda or something like that, but I don't have enough money to buy a Ferrari. All right, what do you want to buy? Put it down below. Do you have enough money? Not sure. All right, lastly, we can talk about something is just right or the perfect amount, right? And this is just, we just take away not. And we say adjective enough. Maybe my daughters are going to have a bath, and I say, it's okay, you can go in. The water is warm enough. It's adjective enough. It is ready, it's just right. Okay? And then, same, we can use enough plus a noun. The order is important here. Adjective enough noun, adjective enough noun. The order is really important, so don't forget that. I can say we have enough food for the party. Maybe my wife is saying, hey, we need to buy more food. Say, no, I think we have enough. 20 people are coming. I look at the food, I see, yeah, we have enough food for 20 people. So we don't need to buy any more. Okay? So that's pretty much 3 reasons or 3 ways that we can use quantifiers to say more than I want, less than I want, or just the right amount. Again, the verb or the adjective is really important, so that changes the meaning. So be careful with that. And I'm sure you all remember, or maybe you don't. You can look up the story Goldilocks and the 3 Bears. I'm sure YouTube has a video of that. But basically, Goldilocks goes into the house. She finds 3 bowls of porridge. One was too cold, one was too hot, and one was just right. And she ate it. And then the bears ate her in the real story, but that's not important. So if you like this video, click like. If you want to see more videos, click subscribe. It's that easy. Click 1 second. All right. So thank you very much. We don't have enough subscribers, so please help that number go up. Thank you. Bye-bye.
And now, look at these sentences. Too much, too many, or enough. How do you think? So first, I'm not very fit. I don't do enough exercise. Is it correct? Yes, of course. So next, I can't walk to school. It's too far. There are too many cars on the roads today. I spend too much time on the computer. It gives me headaches. I don't sleep enough. Only 5 or 6 hours, but I really need 8. I was too ill to go to work yesterday. There were too many people at the party, so it was impossible to dance. I always have too much work and not enough free time. Do you agree
with these sentences. And now let's do this task. This is so easy task for you. Now complete the sentences with too, too much, too many, or enough. And now let's conclude our lesson. What you have learned today's lesson? Please answer these questions. Did you like the lesson? Did you get useful information? Did you like the video? Do you like English? Very good, very nice, good job, my dears. Now, your home task. Please follow this link on the internet and do the test. Testenglish.com. Okay, our lesson is over. Goodbye.